Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model another very simple sofa in Maya. Very simple sofa in Maya. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is very simple sofa model in Maya. This is very basic and simple sofa model in Maya. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because in future I will upload more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.